How to find hiking trails on Apple Maps. So first of all, open your Maps application. And in here, what you're going to do is simply tap on the search bar right here, then start typing hiking trails. In here, you can see there's two different options, hiking trails nearby or hiking trails near area on your map. So you can choose which one you want. I'm going to search for nearby just like this. And in here, you can see there are multiple hiking trails that I can get. You can tap on the specific one that you want to hike to. So in here, I'm going to choose this specific trail right here. I'm going to tap on it. And in here, you can see there are two different places again. I'm going to go with this one, tap on this one. And now in here, you can now download this hiking trail if you want. If you tap on this download option here, you can see it is calculating it. And if you simply tap on download, your download process will begin. And like that, you'll be able to download this specific hiking trail. Here, if we go down a bit here, you can also see the overall ratings in here and the details of it. If you tap on this website here, it will take you to that specific website too. Just like that, you'll be able to find hiking trails on your Apple Map. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.